you are going to be looking at higher electricity bills, right? Remember, the fuel rates operate in a sort of a pass-through kind of a orientation. So the increases in fuel costs to JPS is going to be passed on to the consumer. Remember, Jamaica is not a place where people earn a lot of money. A good 46% of Jamaicans only earn about what, 15 to 16,000 Jamaican dollars a week, which is just about $100. Transportation and transport operators between the bus company may try to subsidize the cost of traveling on the public government-run public transport. Minibus and taxi operators can do that. So we're looking at transportation operators increasing their fares.